Hey guys! Okay, before we get into this video, I have a few things to quickly talk about. Firstly, if you have been following along the videos, you know I've been living in like a burnt down house for a few months now since I've moved to Perth. But I'm happy to say we have, as you can see above me, have finally started construction on the house. My dad's been up here and I've been helping him out. We've been doing the upstairs, getting it all ready to lock it all up once it's all built. So I'm really excited for that. I should hopefully have my new room soon, which is looking a lot better now with an actual roof bit on it. So that's out of the way. We've finally started on the house. Super excited. I'll keep updating you guys. And yes, this is what I have to shower in. Yeah, it's not pretty. Secondly, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting for a little bit. It's been over a week. I have been working and I have been organizing some stuff for this video, which you guys can see by the title. I have actually bought some new wheels for my car, finally. I'm super excited to go put them on. Ben is coming over right now and we're gonna go to a car park to put them on because my driveway is on a slope and I don't wanna risk the car falling off if we try to jack it up. So Ben's coming. I'll show you guys the new wheels in a sec. It's gonna be so good. I'm so keen to finally get them on. They're gonna look awesome. Let's just get into it. Let's just show you guys the wheels. And here they are. They are Rota MXR Rs, so MXR-R, wrapped in a Bridgestone Potenza Adrenaline RE003s, which I heard are a pretty good tire. I actually got a really good deal on these. I only actually paid $1,400 for the whole set with tires and rims already together, and the tires are pretty much brand new. They have, I think, 90% tread. They have like the tiniest bit damage on the rim, but that doesn't faze me. I'm not actually too annoyed about that because I've come to learn that nothing can be perfect and I don't mind saving some money just for a few little scuffs on a wheel. So those are the new wheels. I'm super keen to get them on. I've already cleaned them yesterday and today I went and bought some ceramic polish, some cheap $21 bottle. But the next time I'll be washing my car, I will be ceramic coating them. I know a lot of people are probably shouting at me to do it before I put them on the car, but I'm sorry, Ben is coming soon and I really can't be bothered. So I'll just do it when it's on the car and that will be good to go. Okay, now that that's all out of the way, I actually also went and got some lug nuts and hub-centric rings for the wheels, and I also went and bought a torque wrench because it's always good to torque them up. Now you would actually be surprised of how much stuff you can fit in the back of a sedan WRX. All you gotta do is just chuck the seats down and look at that. You could technically sleep in this thing. Okay, and just continue to pull it through, get it to cover all of your seats. And this one, beautiful, look at that, that's perfect. Here is a better view of the wheels in the daylight. They look absolutely amazing. Wow. I'm so happy, I can't wait to get these on the car. Mate, who needs the gym? Alright. Okay. There we go, put this over that. Oh, you can little seatbelt. Oh. I'm also an idiot for wearing a nice shirt while handling wheels because I'm not smart. Benji's here. Give us a horn. What's up, bro?
What's up? How are you?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're all ready to go. Wheels are all in the car. Ben is hopping in his car. We're gonna go for a little cruise through the tunnel and then we're gonna go to the car park. come to. We're at the Crown Casino. Ah, Ben missed the turn. Should have gone in front.
No, that's what I was hoping you'd do.
Oh well, we're here now. Let's change these wheels, baby. Okay, Ben's doing that first one for me. We're just gonna start with that one. We're gonna do one at a time. It's a beautiful day. I thought it was gonna be raining, but we got lucky.
Good spot as well.
Yeah, this is awesome. That gaff is so funny. Alright, first wheel's off.
Look at those.
Sheesh. Whew. Daddy.
Wow.
Oh, the hovering's fuck.
Oh.
Bruh. First wheel going on, guys.
Alright, Stevie's just put the hovering on.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh,
Holy shit. First one's on so far. That is looking so good, bro. My car's gonna look so good. Ben is lowering it, and the first wheel is about to hit the ground, then we're gonna torque them. And she's out. So there's a tiny bit of poke, but it's finally in line with the fender.
what's the offset?
Damn, bro, that's sick.
Alright guys, onto the second wheel. So we've got the car up in the rear. Stevie's just undoing the lug nuts.
Mate, we're fucking pros at this already.
Flying through this.
Woo! Shout out to Ben for driving up as well. Driving up to come help me. So yeah guys, that's what the hovering looks like. Just helps keep everything centered. The other front one is on. I'm sorry if I'm not filming too much. I'm just enjoying it. Come on, Nick.
3 are on, got the stock wheel off.
Last one.
Stevie's just got the new one here. Alright, we'll just put the hovering in.
Oh, he's already got it.
Like that.
Mate, he's on the ball.
Give it a bash. They're all on. Stevie's just hand tightening them now, and then we're going to drop the car and then torque them all.
Here's my new torque wrench. It is freshly unopened and ready to be used.
Right, Stevie's on the last one.
Ah, she's done. New wheels on, baby. Celebratory flip.
Hey.
Too much. Okay guys, the car's all done and it actually looks sick. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I've literally wanted these wheels before I even had my car. And Ben's gonna hop in and do a little lap for me quickly, just so I can see what it looks like driving. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
First time driving my car as well.
Yeah.
Actually looks insane. I didn't know my car sounded like that. What? What? That looks insane. Okay, Ben's gonna do like a little semi-pull so I can hear it. I did not know my car sounded like that. That sounded kind of funny. What the heck? Alright, so there is a clean ass Evo X right here. Damn. Oh, these are actually so nice when they're done up like this. Me and Benji are gonna go get some Maccas at the Crown. It's just over there, so our cars are gonna stay there. We started around, I think 12 something.
Yeah.
And it's already 1:25, so we actually did it really quickly. And I got work at 4 o'clock, so it worked out well. Looks so good. Yeah, I forgot to film on the way here. Alright guys, let me know in the comments what you think. I think they really suit the car. All in all, I reckon it turned out sick. I actually don't mind the height they're sitting at, but eventually I'll want to lower it. And shout out to Ben for helping me. Damn, for stock height, that is not bad. Look so much better in person, but turned out awesome. They look really good. I'm super happy with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm sorry that I hadn't posted in a while. Hopefully I can get out some more videos soon. I appreciate you guys a lot. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe down below and all that good stuff. And while you're down there, hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button, because it really helps me out and it really motivates me to make videos. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you guys like the new wheels and how the car's finally looking. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. What the fuck?